These smart kitchen gadgets are saving people crazy amounts of time and money. In 2026, gadget number 5 alone makes cooking faster and cheaper. But wait till you see number 17. That thing feels like a life hack nobody should know about. Make perfect crepes and tortillas anytime with the Sultan cordless electric crepe maker CM1337. Featuring a non-stick cooking surface, automatic temperature control, and a handy batter dish and spatula, it delivers smooth, evenly cooked crepes with ease. Portable, easy to use, and recipe ready. All for just $47. Keep your kitchen clean and organized with the large extendable dish drying rack. Featuring an adjustable design that expands from 16.93 inch to 26.57. This heavy-duty steel rack fits almost any sink and offers plenty of space for dishes, utensils, and cookware. Complete with a multifunctional drain board for easy water flow, it's the perfect countertop organizer. All for just $40. Measure ingredients with precision using the SmartWeigh digital kitchen scale with removable bowl. Featuring high-accuracy 0.1 oz/1g precision, an 11 pounds capacity, and a convenient removable bowl, it's perfect for baking, cooking, and meal prep. Compact, reliable, and easy to clean. All for just $20. Upgrade your kitchen with the premium Ravati RVH 82-22-33-inch undermount workstation kitchen sink. Crafted from durable 16-gauge stainless steel, this spacious single-bowl sink features a built-in workstation design with a cutting board and handy accessories for efficient meal prep and cleanup. The brushed finish helps hide scratches while adding a sleek modern look, combining style, durability, and functionality for just $649. Quick, compact, and perfect for everyday meals. The Dezen Hot Pot Electric 2L Non-Stick Sauté Pan makes cooking easy anywhere. With adjustable power settings, rapid heating, and a non-stick design, it's ideal for ramen, steak, eggs, fried rice, soup, and more. Perfect for college dorms or small spaces, this portable cooker delivers convenience for just $33. Take the hassle out of cooking with the StirMate Automatic Pot Stirrer Gen 3. This powerful, cordless kitchen helper automatically stirs soups, sauces, risottos, and more, so you don't have to stand over the stove. With variable speed control and a self-adjusting design, it fits different pot sizes and keeps ingredients moving evenly to prevent burning. Save time, reduce effort, and enjoy perfectly stirred dishes with this smart, hands-free cooking companion. Crack and separate eggs quickly with the stainless steel automatic egg cracker and separator. This creative handheld tool easily opens eggs and separates egg whites with less mess and more convenience. Durable, easy to use, and perfect for baking and cooking. All for just $15. Cook healthier and tastier meals with the Aosion 6-quart 2-tier steamer pot. Featuring a non-stick ceramic coating, spacious 2-tier design, and included ladle, it's perfect for steaming vegetables, dumplings, soups, and stews with ease. Oven and dishwasher safe for simple cooking and cleanup. All for just $50. Make fresh, healthy baby meals in seconds with the Baby Food Maker with glass bowl and stainless steel blades. Featuring durable 316 stainless steel blades, a BPA-free design, and a one-step blending system, it easily prepares smooth purees for babies 6+ months. Safe, dishwasher-friendly, and perfect for every stage of weaning. All for just $33. Make movie night snacks fast and fun with the Elite Gourmet EPM 330M Automatic Stirring Popcorn Maker. This 12-cup popcorn maker features automatic stirring for evenly popped kernels, a built-in reversible serving bowl, and a handy measuring cap for perfect portions every time. Safe, easy to use, and perfect for home parties and kids. All in a stylish mint design for just $26. Cook hot meals anywhere with the portable ZoneTech 12V portable nonstick saucepan. Featuring rapid heating, a durable nonstick 2-quart pot, stay-cool handles, and a glass lid, it's perfect for camping, road trips, picnics, and travel cooking. Compact, convenient, and easy to use. All for just $39. Spread cold butter effortlessly with the Sangio heating butter knife spreader. This rechargeable cordless knife heats up in just 6 seconds and quickly melts butter, jam, coconut oil, and more for smooth spreading every time. Featuring a non-stick stainless steel blade and safety lock switch, it's perfect for kitchens, restaurants, and parties. All for just $20. Keep your kitchen fresh and smoke-free with the stylish Airhood portable kitchen exhaust fan. Featuring activated charcoal air filters, a stainless steel oil filter, and a compact portable design, it's perfect for indoor cooktops, apartments, and small kitchens. Easy to clean and powerful enough to reduce smoke and odors fast. All for just $120. Electric Hot Pot. Multifunction electric pot. Uliki Hot Pot Electric is equipped with dual power regulation functions, 300W and 600W. You can choose the desired power freely. At 300W power, the rapid ramen cooker is perfect to make oatmeal, spaghetti, and eggs. When you cook soup or hot pot, you can switch to the high power of 600W. The Shabu Shabu pot can provide you with a variety of choices for your daily meals. Easy to clean and non-stick coating. The surface of the noodle cooker is made of a food-grade non-stick coating, which can keep food from sticking, which can cook healthy food with less oil. After cooking, the surface of the portable electric hot pot can be easily cleaned with water and a sponge to meet all your expectations of deliciousness. Enjoy healthy cooking and soothing drinks with the Health Pot 1.5L double-layer glass electric kettle. This 9-in-1 programmable kettle lets you make soup, porridge, herbal tea, and more with ease. Featuring a stylish glass touch panel, stainless steel base, and double-layer glass design, it combines elegance and convenience for only $70. Create healthy homemade snacks with the Elite Gourmet Yefty 319 Food Dehydrator. Featuring 5 BPA-free trays and adjustable temperature controls, it's perfect for making jerky, dried fruits, vegetables, herbs, and more. Easy to use, compact, and great for healthy snacking. All for just $35. Upgrade your kitchen prep with the 4-in-1 French fry cutter. This manual hand-powered tool quickly cuts perfect fries, dices onions, slices apples, and chops vegetables with ease. Featuring 4 interchangeable blades, it delivers fast, uniform results every time. No electricity needed. Durable, easy to use, and easy to clean, it's the perfect kitchen gadget for saving time while preparing fresh meals at home. Cook, grill, steam, and enjoy all your favorite meals with the N73 SNA Hot Pot Electric Non-Stick Multi-Cooker. This 2.5-quart portable cooker features a non-stick, PFOA-free design with adjustable power settings for everything from ramen and soup to steak and fried rice. Compact yet powerful, it's the perfect all-in-one kitchen companion for quick and delicious meals. All for just $100. Grate, shred, and zest with ease using the Lantana stainless steel cheese grater with container. Featuring 6 essential grating functions from fine to coarse, a built-in container with lid, and a sturdy stainless steel design, it keeps your kitchen clean and efficient. Compact, versatile, and easy to use. All for just $18. Enjoy hot, homemade meals anywhere with the Crock-Pot Portable Electric Lunchbox. With a 20-ounce capacity, it gently warms your food while keeping it spill-free, warm, and tasty. Perfect for travel and on-the-go lifestyles, its stylish moonshine green design is compact and convenient. Plus, it's dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup, comfort food, wherever you are. Kitchen Drainer Basket. 2-in-1 collapsible colander. Rodigun's colander strainer basket set of 2 contains a basket and a colander. Get the versatility with this strainer bowl and colander set. Use them together for a convenient straining solution, or use them separately for unique kitchen tasks. A 3QT colander is suitable for rinsing or draining vegetables and fruits, or thawing frozen food. Make perfect homemade pizza with the aluminum metal pizza peel with rocker cutter. Featuring a durable 12-inch by 14-inch aluminum pizza peel, a sharp 14-inch rocker cutter, and a foldable wooden handle for easy storage. Perfect for indoor and outdoor ovens, this all-in-one pizza tool set helps you slide, serve, and slice like a pro. Grab this must-have pizza accessory for just $20. Cook hot, homemade meals anywhere with the Presto Nomad 6-quart traveling slow cooker. Featuring a spacious 6-quart capacity, secure locking lid, and durable design, it's perfect for travel, potlucks, and family gatherings. Easy to carry, reliable, and mess-free. All for just $85. Upgrade your kitchen with this 4-in-1 colander with bowl set. Perfect for washing rice, pasta, fruits, and vegetables, it works as a strainer, cleaner, and serving bowl in one. Stylish, durable, and easy to use, it's an aesthetic cooking essential and a thoughtful gift for any modern kitchen. Make opening jars, bottles, and cans effortless with the 2026 4-in-1 jar opener. Adjustable and made from durable stainless steel, it's perfect for seniors and anyone with arthritis. This versatile kitchen tool fits multiple sizes, giving you a safe, easy grip and saving time and effort in the kitchen. Organize your kitchen neatly with the Nesapto 4-tier wood spice rack organizer. Designed to hold up to 28 spice jars, this stylish vertical rack works perfectly on countertops, cabinets, or walls. Durable, space-saving, and easy to install, all for just $25. Create delicious crepes, pancakes, and more with the NutriChef electric crepe maker griddle. Its 12-inch non-stick surface ensures even cooking and easy cleanup, while adjustable temperature control gives you perfect results every time. With LED indicators and included wooden spatula and batter spreader, it's everything you need for quick, hassle-free cooking at home. Make fresh prep quick and easy with the Cuisinart 3-quart salad spinner. Designed to wash, spin, and dry salad greens, fruits, and vegetables in one simple tool, it removes excess water fast for crisp results. The smooth spinning action is easy to use and perfect for everyday meals. Compact yet efficient, it's a must-have kitchen essential for healthier, fresher cooking. Measure ingredients with perfect accuracy using the electronic digital measuring spoon scale. Featuring a clear LCD display and 5 measurement units, this high-precision kitchen gadget is perfect for baking, coffee, spices, pet food, and more. Compact, easy to use, and budget-friendly, all for just $10. Maximize your sink space with the 1/9 magnetic drainage filter basket. This punch-free, triangular strainer easily attaches with strong magnets and keeps your corner tidy. The twist-open bottom makes cleaning effortless, while the durable design handles scraps, food, and debris. Comes as a 2-pack, smart, space-saving, and hassle-free. Keep your kitchen clean and organized with the Elfico hanging trash can with lid. This 2.5-gallon compact bin is perfect for undersink, cupboard, or countertop use. Wall-mounted or freestanding, it saves space while the secure lid locks in odors. Durable, modern, and convenient, it's an ideal solution for everyday kitchen waste and compost. Cook fast and efficiently with the AmsChef Double Induction Cooktop. This 1800W portable stove features 2 burners with a removable non-stick griddle, perfect for any meal. Enjoy precise cooking with 9 power levels, a 99-minute timer, and easy sensor touch controls. Sleek in iron gray, it's compact, powerful, and ideal for kitchens, apartments, or on-the-go cooking. Grind your spices and herbs effortlessly with the Mamba electric grinder. This USB rechargeable, portable 1G metal grinder makes seasoning quick and easy. Compact yet powerful, it's perfect for fresh herbs, spices, and even small seeds in the kitchen. Quick to use, easy to clean, and built for convenience. Fresh flavors anytime, anywhere. The OXO Good Grips 3-in-1 egg separator makes separating eggs quick and mess-free. It easily separates yolks from whites, cracks eggs, and strains shells in one simple tool. The soft, non-slip handle provides a comfortable grip for easy control. Perfect for baking and everyday cooking, this compact tool saves time and keeps your kitchen clean. Serve your dishes in style with this 4-pack chafing dish buffet set. Each 6-cutie stainless steel round dish features a visible glass cover to keep food warm and presentable. Perfect for parties, weddings, Christmas gatherings, and catering events, These buffet servers make entertaining effortless and elegant every time.